Hey, I'm Adam, herdsman at Richardson's Dairy, and we're making some videos to show you our transition from our old barn, showing the old barn, the cow in the bunk.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be going into a new robotic barn. So it's time to get started with afternoon chores, and we gotta clean up all this poop. Let's do it.
Now that we have first group all opened up, I'm gonna start heading over to the second group. Since you got this all clean, I'm gonna close them up, bring them over to that side. We're gonna go feed some calves. Gotta go check this board over here. Tells us which calves need to be weaned and which we gotta feed. So right here.
What's a X mean on the board?
X means you just don't give them enough to completely weaned off.
Yeah.
1 slash means we don't feed them in the afternoon.
Alright.
So right here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We gotta feed 8 right now.
Oh, you missed one up top, bro.
Oh, I missed one up there?
9.
We got 9.
Alright. And that one's half weaned, so she doesn't get milk till morning time.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
After you, bro.
Oh, word.
Yeah.
Alright, what are we doing now?
Alright, so we take this powder over here and we put, since there's 9 cows, we gotta put 4 in here and 5 in there and mix them all up.
Nice. What are you doing now, bro?
I gotta bring these over to the gate area now.
I'll grab these. Oh, suck. Can't wait to move into there. Here's all the calves. I'm in calf hutches for about 8 weeks. And they go into group housing. Bed them down with straw. They have a nice dry place to get in out of the wind and the rain. They do great out here. Got the calf jackets on them. Rule of thumb is if you're wearing a sweatshirt, they need a sweatshirt. Go see what Ben's up to. Doesn't take them very long.
Goes, gonna push up feed. Classical music is a must. All these young guys should be coming around soon. Huh? Usually scared. Huh?
Alright, show us how we set up the sink, bro.
Alright, so first thing you gotta do.
I think America knows how to do that, but
Well, yeah, probably. Our sink's kind of it's kind of broken and it moves on its own. So leave that for now.
poltergeist.
Alright. So we just recently started doing this, and basically what happens is when we put it in there for after the wash, when we rinse, it creates an extra coating to protect buckets and bacteria and stuff, right?
How much you putting in, bro?
About a, I don't even know, to be honest.
2 ounces,
No,
bro?
yeah, about 2 ounces. I don't want to put this in there.
That's the rinse water.
Yep.
We're all out of our usual chlorine soap, so we gotta use dish detergent to clean the buckets. It'll do. It'll do for now. There's a sink possessed by the devil. I got you, bro. Some dish soap. Couple dabs will do you. Mix it around. Alright. So he's gonna rinse everything off with a cold water hose. Make sure there's no sand or poo or anything on there. And put them into the wash sink.
A little scrubbing going on. Line them all up. All done, y'all.
It's all done.
All done.
That took about 5 seconds.
No.
Hey, buddy.
This bowl's gonna give him problems. I got you. Come on, move over there. Stop smelling him. Yo, get out of here, little bit. Come on. Is he drinking?
There was just one this morning.